Wee. 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 Wee.
My caring dad says it's time for me to get a big boy ball. This is my fastest ball. Had it since I was a baby. It keeps all my smells, but dad is worried I might choke on it. I'll take the vintage, sir. Definitely not round enough. Sound is crunchy. Tastes like tennis.
Song I wrote.
Just know,
might want to sing
never.
it note for note.
See,
Don't
ball is
worry.
not straight.
Be happy.
Raw. Here, I'll fix it.
In every life
This is
we
going to
have
take a
some
while.
trouble. When
Better
you
send
worry,
to
you
dinners.
make it double. Don't
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.
No way that works. Moxie! What's good, girl? We're gonna go try something, alright? Come on. Alright, be gentle, okay? Be gentle. Alright, come on. Alright, you don't wanna put it in your mouth? I'll put it right here. Where's it at? Did you just fucking swallow the whole egg? Yo! Oh no, it's right here. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's anybody's dog. Your dog just feed on the floor, man. I know. And just so you know, dogs are not allowed.
Oh man, the dog did pee on the floor. Dang it.
Yes, Mark? Oh, thank you so much, Mark.
No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby.
Can you give me kisses? Give me a kiss. You don't want to give me a kiss? Why?
As you guys can tell, my dog is very pissed because he knows I'm talking about him, and he knows he has a fat ass, and I don't know what to do about it because I don't think there's anything to shrink it. It's so damn big and juicy. Like, I just want to touch it, like, so much. Like, can I touch it? Ah. Let me touch it.
Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself? Both enjoying the jacuzzi.
Last night, Kyoshi lost her off-leash privileges. Our beach walk started off really well. She was engaged with me, playing soccer, listening to her commands. Here I'm asking her to ready, which means back up, give space, and be prepared for the ball. She even started to engage with the water, which I was really happy about because she's been pretty scared of it up until now. But what I didn't realize was that she was actually getting very, very frustrated. She would nip at the water and it looked cute at first, but then I realized that maybe it wasn't so cute. The barking started next and the whining, and then suddenly she was taking out her frustration on me by nipping at my ankles and running at me and trying to chew on my pants, which you can see here. Not fun.
Not me. No.
But she listened to my correction and we continued on with our shenanigans while I was none the wiser of the meltdown that she was about to have. As it was starting to get dark, I decided to wrap up our time at the beach and was making my way towards the exit. Before I could even make it to the grass, she took off running and did not come back, no matter how much I called her, ran in the opposite direction, encouraged her with toys, and this went on for maybe 5 or 10.
He's not following the mud. This is a good dog. Oh.
You look like a big, fat, white sausage. You can show me what you feed him.
Feed him what's left over from the Indian from last night. But he likes naan breads best.
I can't stand by and watch this fat dog eating Indian food. I'm going to take it away. I'm sorry, Gizmo. I'm sorry. That's it, baby. Finished.
Gizmo's love affair with Indian cuisine is about to come to an end.
This is how...
Oh, no. No, no, no.